Hi, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, I will show you how to show battery percentage on Windows 10, so you always know exactly how much power your laptop has left. Step 1. Click on the Microsoft Store icon on the taskbar. The Microsoft Store is where you can download apps for your Windows 10 system, and it's usually located at the bottom of your screen for easy access. Step 2. In the Microsoft Store, type battery level in the search bar. This will help you find the app that allows you to display your battery percentage clearly on the taskbar. Step 3. Click on the app from the search results. Make sure you select the correct app so that it works properly with your Windows 10 system. Step 4. Click on Get to start downloading the app. This will download and install the app on your computer, allowing you to use it immediately. Step 5. Once the installation is finished, click on Open. This will launch the app and prepare it to display the battery percentage on your taskbar. Step 6. Go back to your desktop and now you will see the battery percentage displayed on the taskbar. This makes it easy to monitor your laptop's battery at a glance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.